Best TV mounts provide a secure and space-saving way to install televisions while improving viewing comfort and room aesthetics. With options like fixed, tilting, and full motion designs, they offer flexible positioning, strong support, and easy installation for different TV sizes and setups. Starting at number 1, USX Mount TV Wall Mount. The USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount is a heavy-duty wall mounting solution designed for most 32 to 70-inch TVs weighing up to 99 mm. It supports VESA mounting patterns up to 400 mm and features dual articulating arms that provide smooth, full-motion adjustment, including swivel, tilt, and extension for optimal viewing angles while reducing glare. The mount is compatible with 12-inch and 16-inch wood studs as well as concrete walls, and includes a post-installation leveling adjustment for precise TV alignment. Constructed from durable steel, it offers a secure, space-saving design that extends outward for easy cable access and retracts close to the wall for a clean appearance. The package includes mounting hardware, a drilling template, and installation instructions for quick and convenient setup. Number 2, IWORKBOARD TV Wall Mount. The IWORKBOARD wall mount is a sturdy and safe solution for securely mounting your television. Capable of holding up to 132 lbs with a UL-certified design that prevents wobbling or slipping. It supports TVs up to 90 inches and features VESA compatibility of up to 600 by 400 mm, making it versatile for various room layouts and TV configurations. The low-profile design keeps your TV close to the wall, optimizing space while providing a sleek aesthetic, and includes a quick-release mechanism for easy adjustments. Additionally, the mount allows for a tilt of up to 10 degrees to reduce glare and enhance viewing quality. Installation is straightforward with all necessary hardware included, although it's advised not to attempt installation into drywall alone. The product comes with a decade of support and is backed by a 10-year spare part availability duration. Number 3, ELIVED TV Wall Mount. The ELIVED TV Wall Mount is a full-motion mounting solution designed for most 26 to 60-inch flat and curved TVs weighing up to 77 ohms. It supports VESA mounting patterns up to 400 to 400 mm and features a single stud design that makes it ideal for center or corner installations. The mount offers smooth swivel and tilt adjustments, allowing you to position your TV for the best viewing angle while reducing screen glare. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures reliable support, and the articulating arm extends and retracts to provide flexible viewing positions while saving space when pushed back against the wall. The mount also includes post-installation leveling adjustment, cable management, and all necessary installation hardware, making it a practical and durable choice for home entertainment setups. Number 4, No Stud TV Wall Mount. The IWORKBOARD wall mount is a fixed mounting solution designed for televisions and monitors, ranging from 13 to 55 inches, with a maximum load capacity of 99 mm and compatible with VESA sizes from 100 by 100 mm to 400 by 400 meters. This mount is ideal for various TV brands, including Samsung, Sony, LG, Vizio, TCL, Element, Scepter, and Hisense. It features a quick and easy installation process that requires no prior experience, allowing users to set it up in just 3 minutes using the included hardware and detailed installation guide. Constructed from high-quality, cold-formed steel, this mount ensures safety and reliability. Additionally, it offers a clean appearance with only 1.1 inches of clearance from the wall, making it suitable for both large computer monitors and televisions. The package includes a comprehensive set of mounting hardware, a bubble level, and a 5-year customer service guarantee, making it a practical choice for those looking to save desktop space while securely mounting their devices. Number 5, Perlegear Corner TV Wall Mount. The Perlegear Corner TV Wall Mount is a heavy-duty full-motion wall mount designed for most 37 to 75-inch flat and curved TVs weighing up to 100 pounds. It supports VESA mounting patterns up to 600 to 400 mm and features an extra-long 32.37-inch articulating arm, making it ideal for corner installations and wide viewing angles. The mount offers smooth, swivel, tilt, and post-installation leveling adjustments, allowing you to reduce glare and position your TV for optimal viewing from different areas of the room. Built from durable steel, it provides excellent stability while extending outward for flexible placement and retracting close to the wall to save space. The package includes all necessary mounting hardware and installation instructions, making it a reliable and versatile solution for large home entertainment displays.